morning, everybody. We got a real treat for you today. We have a 21 Thor Tellaro RV that's built on a Ram ProMaster 3500 chassis. The payout on this unit was over 130,000. This is an RV. It's a full RV. Has kitchen, shower, has all the goodies, solar panels, AC units on top, all kinds of stuff, TVs, generators, full package. The unit sustained some undercarriage damage, however it still runs and drives. We'll do a quick walk around and then do our best to get pictures of the a video of the damage underneath. So front bumper cover's got a little dent in it that could be heated up and fixed. Other than that, the rest of the body is very clean. Take a look inside the back right now. Let me zoom out a little bit. Take a look inside. It's got a nice bike rack back here. Alright. Got a full bath back here, toilet with the shower. Outlets, water, light. Got some cabinets here. Sink, shower head, and a vent in the top over there. You can see the undercarriage damage from here. Pushed up the cabinetry a little bit. Looks like the solar panel batteries have been damaged, but this is the extent of the damage here. Looks like it might have bottomed out on something and the battery got pushed up into the floor. We'll get some other angles of it. Let's see if we can look underneath as well. Glass all around. Got some air hoses, so it has an air compressor there. Got some outlets on the side of the unit here. Let's take a look inside also. So this is the battery that got hit underneath. You can see the floor here. You can stand up. You're at least, say, 6 feet tall. You can stand up comfortably in here. A cabinetry here. 2 beds. Shades. Looks like you can put 2 tables here. They're probably stored in the under the beds. Let's take a look inside here. It's the front driver's side area here. Looks like an aftermarket radio, Pioneer. Seats are in a nice shape, no airbags deployed. Have a sink, got a propane stovetop here, microwave oven, some more cabinet space. Got a table here, folding table that comes out. We got a fridge. Pretty cool. It's all the house power here. Windshield is good. Got a sliding shade that comes out of the side if you want to hang out outside the RV. Nice running boards. Let me see if we take a look in the engine compartment. Be great if I knew where the oh, here it goes. Interesting. Engine compartment is clean, no damage here. Engine starts. Try to stick the camera underneath so you can see the damaged areas. I'm not sure if you can see anything. Back here as well. Post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.